Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, how is it going on? Welcome to All Tech channel again. So if you want some more Instagram, WhatsApp tricks, so please let me know in the comments and do subscribe because it helps a lot. So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. It's really easy. So I have made the clone WhatsApp and I have already signed up with both my numbers. I have two numbers and I have made the clone WhatsApps. And now first of all, this is my number 1 and this is my number 2. So now I'm gonna send message from the number 1 to number 2. So I'll send hi and alright, so as you can see that I have received the message from the number 1 to the number 2, and now as you can see over here that I can even now I'll reply, and as you can see over here I have also got the reply. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna delete the first message and I'm gonna delete for everyone. And now if we'll go to the second WhatsApp number, the message has been deleted and you can't get to know that what was message. And with the same way, if I delete this message for everyone and now I go to this WhatsApp, the message has been deleted. So in both the cases the message has been deleted. So if you receive someone's message on your WhatsApp number, even your friends or your parents or your school teachers or anyone, like it can be anyone. So if you want to see that what he or she replied to you and deleted immediately, so how you can get to know the recovered message, how you can recover the deleted message, it's really simple guys. So what you need to all do is you need to go to the link which I have provided in the description. So it is linked with Play Store and it is known as WAMR recover deleted messages and status download. You need to just simply install this application. It is 15 MB application, which is not much, and more than 10 million people have already downloaded this application. This application is not only used for WhatsApp recovery messages but also used for Instagram recovery messages, Facebook, Telegram, and even more of the applications. So let me just scan this once for you so that you can get to know that there are no bugs or viruses in this application. So now you need to just simply open this application, and over here you need to accept the first one, then you need to click on the next one, and now here we have to choose WhatsApp, and then we have to go for the next one. So you have to do this. So now guys, first of all you have to ignore the first one and go to the second, multimedia files. So you need to simply click on enable and allow it. So now go to the third one, notification reader. This allows WAMR to back up your notifications. So you need to simply click on the enable option in front of it, and now you need to enable the WAMR over here, and you have to wait for 5 seconds because it is as an important warning, but it doesn't do anything wrong with your device. So you need to go back, and now guys you need to auto start your device. So first of all like I have done most of these. So now you need to, in the first one you need to enable WAMR, and after you enable it, what you need to do is you need to restart the application. After you enable 3 of them, simply you need to go to this. So now guys, if I go to this one, as you can see over here the WhatsApp has been chosen, and now if you send a message to someone and you receive someone's message and he or she immediately delete the message, you will be getting the deleted message over here. And if a warning or we can say if a issue pops up in front of you, just as I have got, WAMR has been deactivated or interrupted, messages won't be recovered. So simply you need to click on this, and now you need to click on restart, and now here if anything else is turned on, so you need to turn it off, and then you need to go back, and as you can see over here that all my issues have been fixed already. And if you want to manage some more apps over here, you can even do that, and if you want me to make another video on this topic, you can tell me. So now I'm gonna show you a proof that if I receive someone's message, so first of all you need to see that whose account has been given to you. So how you will be checking that is, so you can also view the statuses. You can also view the statuses over here, and you can also download them. and for downloading it, you just need to like simply run the application. So this was my first one. So what are we going to do is I'm gonna message now, hi, and as you can see that I have received the message. Now I'm gonna delete this message for everyone. Alright, so if I go over here, now what we need to do is I'm gonna go to WhatsApp, and the message has been deleted. So the message which I received has been deleted. Now I will go to WMR, and as you can see over here that the deleted message is in front of you. So only the deleted message will be received over here, so it will recover. So I'll do some more. So let me just show you. Hi there, how are you? So as you can see that I have received the message. I will simply delete this for everyone before she or he reads. So as you can see over here, the message was deleted. So now you will also receive a message over here that number 1 has deleted a message. You just need to go over here, and as you can see over here, hi there, how are you has been deleted. So it will be in the red color. So guys, I hope that you have understood what I have explained you in this video. So make sure that you subscribe, and also make sure that you share this video to your friends who need help. So thank you.